Hi, dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting lesson. It's about evens and odds. We're going to start by a song. This song tells us what? It's about a story. There is a boy here, okay? He will go to a jungle. You know the jungle? Yeah. And he will tell us about numbers. He will ask here some animals, very funny animals. Let's go and see. What are they telling us? Let's start.
As Fox started talking, I
Hello.
somehow understood. She asked,
Please, will you join me beneath this pine?
she whispered,
For you, even numbers I'll define. They are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8.
Zero,
Even numbers
2,
all
4,
share
6,
one
and
trait.
8.
You can split them down the
Split
middle.
them in the middle.
Yes, you've solved the riddle. 'Cause 1 equals 2, and 2 plus 2 makes 4, it's true. Then 3 plus 3 equals 6, and 4 plus 4 makes 8 makes 6.
Okay, what happened just now? They tell us that we can split here 8, the even number, into two equal here numbers. We can split or share the even number. Here we have 8. It's an even number. We can share it by here. We can share it here over two people. So 8 here is divided equally. Each one will take what? 4. And if I say I have here, for example, 6. 6 here is an even number. 6 when I share it equally, so it's a 3 plus the same 3. So they told us here also that we have got what? Let's see. We have got here 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay. 6 and 8. They are even numbers. They are even numbers. Let's continue here.
numbers big and small. Today we're gonna count them all. Some are
Sing with them.
some are odd. Won't you join our counting squad?
We enjoy.
We walked further into the forest.
Yeah, into the forest.
Last week,
Hi.
Me and be my guest.
Okay, I'll be your
To
guest.
show you how to tell which numbers are odd.
Odd numbers.
Fox and she gave
Fox.
us a nod.
Hi.
The first 5 odd numbers in line are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. They are not divisible by 2, and for all odd numbers, the same is true. Between 1 and 10, there are 5 of them. Now I'll count the odd numbers again. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9.
Okay, then what happened now, just now? The rat here tells us what about the odd numbers. We have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And he told us they are odd numbers. They can't be divided into two numbers. So we have here like 3. It can't be divided into 2 because 3 is what? 2 plus 1. So it's not the same number here. This is an odd number, right? So let's continue. Is it interesting? I think it is. Let's continue now.
Line.
Numbers big and small. Today we're gonna count them all. Some are even, some are odd. Won't you join our counting squad?
We will join you, of course.
Then we were met by a barn owl.
Hi, owl.
Outside his birdhouse on a dowel.
Hi.
Please visit with me just for a short time. And I'll discuss bigger, even, and odd numbers. As
Bigger,
I rhyme.
even, and odd numbers.
Numbers are even or odd too. And the last digit holds the clue. So what about the number 70?
Okay, now we have numbers, bigger numbers. So, bigger numbers here, what do you think? I have here 72. So, I look at here the ones. This is the ones. Here, this ones is even or odd? 2, even. So, all the number here is even number. Let's continue.
2. It's even because it ends in 2. Or what about the number 93? That number's odd because you see the last digit's the odd number 3, which means it can't be
Numbers big and small. Today we're gonna count them all. Some are even, some are odd. Won't you join our counting squad?
We wandered further into the wilderness.
Woo!
An alligator appeared
Alligator.
from the darkness.
Hi.
G'day, mates. I've got a special number to teach you.
You have a special number?
Learn about zero before your journey's through. Zero can't be split to make a new amount.
Okay, guys, we have here. Hi, alligator, how are you? What do you want to tell us about a special number, which is here 0? He tells us that 0 here, okay, 0 here, guys, it's not divisible by 2. Can't be, but it's an even number. Why? Because here 10, it can't be split into 2 evenly, 5 and 5. So this is an even number. We know the secret now. Let's continue.
But it's still even when you count. Because if zero's a number's final digit, that number can be evenly split. For instance, consider the number 10. Let's split it in half and we'll see then. It makes 2 5s and that's a pair. If it ends in 0, an even number's there. Ha ha!
Numbers big and small. Today we're gonna count them all.
Ha ha!
Some are even, some are odd. Won't you join our counting squad?
Come on, join in!
Numbers big and small. Today we're gonna count them all.
Yep, all of them.
Some are even, some are odd. Won't you join our counting squad?
Numbers big and small. Oh, think it's over.
I think it's very interesting, guys. I hope you understood the lesson. Let's have a very short here practice on this. So if I have here, we have here how many blocks? 1, 2, okay. We need the marker. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4, it's an even number. It's an even number because we don't have here any extra. What about this 1, 2, 3, 4, but an extra 1 here? So it's an odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 here is an even number. I hope you understood the lesson. Thank you, my dear students, for listening. I hope you're fine. Thank you. Bye-bye. Don't forget, math is fun.